Hey darlings, this is Anja from GoSo, and we're gonna make your Instagram account not only go viral, but look stunningly amazing. So here are the tips.
First, we recommend to think and choose your style. Show your unique qualities or niche. What are you good at and where do you shine as a person or a brand? Your uniqueness is your power. Choose quality over quantity and let that be your trademark. How can you achieve it? If you own a professional camera, this is perfect and great. But if not, your smartphone will do just fine. Be aware of setting your phone to HD resolution and just go. Take photos, make videos, stay playful, and be creative. Feel free to experiment, but keep in mind how important it is to use natural light. Shot at the right time. And use the 3/3 rule, or the golden ratio that is known as Fibonacci spiral, or P as well. So everything in nature and things we perceive as beautiful in subconscious and conscious mind are actually in that ratio. Do you want a warm and cozy Instagram theme? Or how about minimalistic and fresh? Color and overall tone of your images will affect the way your photos feel, so pick a tone and stick with it. There are several free apps, and even Instagram has its own filter options. But if you feel like a next level Instagrammer and would love to impress, well, then beautifying your photos with presets would be a go-to solution. There are several packs you can buy from different influencers or photographers, but you can as well play yourself with Lightroom program. There is a phone app you can use, but for all options and diversity, we recommend the desktop version. When your photos are ready, plan your posts. This app has several subscription options, but for starters, free option would do the trick. If you love us as much as we love you, like the video, subscribe, and yes, sharing is caring. Till next time, go viral with GoSo.